2008 Jeep JK, the 3.8 engine, 6-speed manual transmission. So for the last couple of days I've been using this heat gun. It's a Wrangler 300 Furno, bought at Home Depot, to restore the bumpers from gray to black. And it's been a pretty cool project. I've been pretty much all done. I got the fronts done. I'll show you really quick at the sides. Side fenders. And now I'm going to work on the rear bumper. Got the front fender, front bumper, excuse me, done as well. And I got here the side fenders. Probably takes you about 40 minutes to do each one. But I'll just do a quick demo of what this looks like here. I found technique is a little bit important for consistency of color. So pretty much I'll start here. Just go nice and slow, put the setting on high. And watching this video, it could be like watching paint dry. That's what I'm just doing a demonstration here. And just go nice and back and forth. So like this. Nice and easy, try to keep everything level. I'm not sure how long this heat will, how long this condition will last as I'm doing this process. I'm sorry, how long these bumpers and fenders will stay black. I'll probably have to put a rattle can on it. Maybe I was thinking about Linexing them. Or using Hercules solution or something, taking everything off and doing it that way. But you know what? This is where I figured, why not? Why not give this a try? And that's pretty much it right there. And like I said, just try to be consistent with your little wave action. And just work in small sections at a time. And you'll see it as you put it on, as you use this gun. You'll see which technique is better, either going side to side, going vertical or horizontal. The texture of the plastic seems to reveal it for you. I would say after doing this for quite a while, the back of the Jeep looks a lot better than the front. I might have to go over it and do it again. There's a couple of heat's not your friend if you leave it sitting on a plastic a little bit too long. It tends to heat up a little bit. But hey, to me it's a work vehicle. Gets me where I need to go. Should I find myself in snow, in a swamp, on the moon? No, I'm just kidding. Just wherever I need to go. This is a work vehicle, and it could be cool too. The family seems to enjoy it. Alright guys, well, that's just a quick informational do-it-yourselfer here. Or you can spend $50 and buy yourself a brand new bumper. slap it on there and be done with it. But I'm not into spending money, and even though time is money, but I want to see what I could do for 25 bucks, and this little dryer unit's 25 bucks. I actually even fixed the front bumper on this. I had a dimple on the right front side, and I put a little patch in there, cut a little keyhole patch, took one of my rubber mallets handle and pushed out the front dimple on the bumper with this heat gun. Just popped right out in like 5 minutes. Then I took some JB Weld and patched up the hole. I can show you guys that later on. Anyway, I spent a little bit more time on this than is necessary on this portion here. I just wanted to show you this is what you're looking at doing. It doesn't take too long. Once you get your pattern down, you can go through this pretty darn quick. Well, this is Ablecraft here. Have a safe Jeep and day. Take care.